here we are again. It's about the 5th year that I've been doing the potato barrel, and we'll see what kind of results we got this year. It's been a cool, damp season. A lot of fungus on the tomatoes, a lot of, damp dew at night, 50 degrees. It hasn't been a warm summer, but we'll see. They're starting to die back, and it's time to cut them off, dump over my barrel, and see how many pounds I get. So if you know, I start the plant 6 inches in the ground. I put like 4 potato seed in the ground, and as the bush grows, here one crawled out. As the bush grows, I put the barrel around and then I hill it up. Here we go. Oop, might need to find a new barrel next year. What I did is I took an old scrap pot and I put that around the plant and then put about 4 inches of soil every other week until it's full. And there they are, nothing like fresh potatoes. No starchy taste. Maybe that one I save for a seed for next year. Bunch of little ones. Oh, we're hoping for 1 year we had 14 pounds. I think that one's a pound by itself. Look at the size of that. Now I backfilled this with Dr. Earth this year. And what I'm seeing is everything I buried, because of the cool season, I think, didn't produce any potatoes on what I buried. So every year it's different. So where I'm getting potatoes is below my barrel. I didn't get any extra potatoes in my barrel. But, oh, that's an ugly one. But looks like I'm gonna get a lot of potatoes below ground where the original plant was, and a little rotting because of the cool season. See, the worms got food to eat, so that one got damaged a little bit, and here they come. Looks like I'm having a good season below ground this year, not up in what I buried in the pot. So again, didn't do me any good to bury the pot, to bury the plant. Now let's see, anything else down here? Oh yeah. Look at that, one little red one. Where he came from, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I sliced one in half. Be careful when you dig them up. Sometimes you cut them in half. Those you'll eat tonight. Oh, here's red ones. I must have planted red ones and white ones. Again, been a cool season. Probably too wet, too cool to really produce well. I think that's it. All right. The red ones didn't do good. The white ones did pretty good. 2014 potato harvest. Try it again next year. That's the fun of gardening. You always got next year to do it again. Bye.